Today we have the brand new AKG K712. We are going to do a little unboxing video for you. These advertise an improvement in the bass response over the old AKG 700 series products. So we'll have to get to a review video to tell you how that sounds. Ooh, sticker, warranty card. They do come in a nice velvet bag. So it looks like we get a coiled cable with a mini plug. And a second straight cable with a mini plug. And here's the phones. So pretty much a lot like a 701 or 702. They did change the headband a little bit. It does not have the lumps on it, which is one of the comfort complaints. So it won't create any pressure points on the top of your head. Kind of cool color scheme. So another similar AKG headphone, but these do promise to sound a little bit different. So we will get back to you with some excellent feedback on the sonic quality of the K712.